Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to the channel. Now we've moved from the living room to the foyer to the dining room. Now we're in the kitchen and the little bath that we'll be working on today. If you're a subscriber, I want to thank you for watching. And if this is your first time stopping by, make sure you become a part of the Creative Decor family. Hit the subscribe button and keep watching. So, as you know, maybe 2 months ago, I think it was in June, July, I redid my kitchen countertops, and this is what they look like. I did, let me turn on a little more light, but I did the marble effect with the resin on the countertops. I need to do the backsplash, and I'm not quite ready to do that, but I do want to do the kitchen for fall. So because I want to do the kitchen for fall, as you guys look around, and I'll take my camera and go around, I just want to show you what the kitchen looks like. So here is what my kitchen looks like now. Again, I did the countertops and I absolutely love them. I repainted my cabinets, fronts. I added new hardware to them. My color for the spring summer was the blue color that you see, and so I'm gonna have to change all of that at the top. Loving how everything looks, but it's time for a change. So the first thing I want to do in this kitchen is like when I did my entry, the walls in the kitchen are the same color as the rest of the house, this gray color. So I have the paint left. I want to paint my back door. So I've already cleaned it and I just want to prime it first. Again, it has never been painted, and I think this door is probably maybe 10, 12 years old, somewhere around there, no more than 15 that I had the back door, but we never painted it. So what I want to do, I've already removed the rub from the back door, and I just want to paint it. So I have my primer here, and it is the Advanced Synthetic Primer. I want to just go ahead and prime it. Don't want to take you all through the whole thing, just want to show you a little bit of what I'm doing in the kitchen. So if you want to see how it turns out with this beautiful burgundy color, you got to keep watching. I added 2 coats of the primer to the door. It's dry, and now we're ready for paint. I'm going to use my short handle angle brush to cut in around all the corners, and I'll use the roller to roll the flat surfaces.
Your place be going up.
I'll use this artist brush to go around the handle and around the lock. I'll add 2 coats of this paint. The second coat I'll do off camera, and we'll come back for the next step. paint on it. I'm just going to clean my window. I've also cleaned my kitchen. I just need to give it one final wipe. And I'm going to start decorating. So follow along
as I add my beautiful fall decor.
Your price be going up. 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 going up. Your place be going up.
I'm back in my kitchen and I have finished my fall decor in my kitchen. I was actually on my way out. I have a doctor's appointment today, but I just finished my coffee and I grabbed my camera and I said, you know what, just let me show them what it looks like in the morning, and then in the evening I'll come back. But I just want to take my camera around the room and give you guys a look at the room. So let me flip my camera around.
Earlier this summer, I refreshed my paint on my cabinets. I added new hardware. I redid or epoxied the countertops. I did my own lights and backsplash. I did the floor. All of this stuff was done by me, and I do have tutorials, and I will leave a link to them in the description box below. I think my kitchen turned out absolutely beautiful, but you let me know. What do you think? I think it has just a perfect amount of that burgundy color for fall. Now, if you follow me, you know that I have a 100-year-old home and my kitchen is really small. And that's because I have so many doorways to the kitchen, but I don't like a lot of things on my countertop, very minimal things on the countertop, but I did want to bring in the fall color. So I'm just gonna walk over here to the bathroom and show you what it looks like. Now for this small powder room, there isn't very much that I could do, so I brought in that beautiful flower arrangement from Dollar Tree with the burgundy flowers with a little pumpkin. On the shelf, I have another pumpkin from Dollar Tree, but I painted it in the burgundy, a DIY vase, and this beautiful tub picture that I had in my stash. I have the burgundy rug on the floor. Now this rug came with the one here at the back door, and they were two for $12.99 from a local store called Shoppers World. I also got the two rugs here in front of the refrigerator and the stove from Shoppers World, and they were $7.99. The runner in front of the sink over here was $12.99. And again, the burgundy rug in front of the door matches the one in the bathroom, and they both were $12.99. My chef towels are from Dollar Tree, as well as these mitts, and I love them because of their burgundy. Along with these mitts, which match the towels, they're all from Dollar Tree. My floral arrangement is from Dollar Tree as well. The little vase is from the resale shop for $1. On the top, the 2 plates are from a resale shop, and also the 2 pictures. The plates were $1 and the 2 pictures were $3. In the window, another floral arrangement from Dollar Tree. My pumpkins are from Dollar Tree, and the candle is from Dollar Tree, and it was $3. I love how my mitts, and I love my mitt, how it coordinates with the rug. They both have that checkered print. The colors are different, black and white on the mitt and burgundy and white on the rug, but I love how they work together. I could only find 1 mitt. Hopefully I can find more at another Dollar Tree. And while you're looking around, don't forget to look at the door and how nicely it turned out. So if you're out there watching and you've enjoyed this video and its content, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And don't forget the notification bell so you'll know when I upload new videos. It's time to say thank you all for watching. And have a wonderful, wonderful day. God bless. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.